Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang kuya gini di mabana bagi advertisement.
Balay sila penjenjar ya lagi. Papinjit kerpang ni kini. Like link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com. Pinyo buat kijing pedla. Bat ki berta ki shula. Link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com.
Gagaba pentip bagi Sorkar India kelamang lais pak klur tengka nak benta ke pyntreikam Smart Metre Phase II sembut mitrang ba perston tensong bedaipai ketenat company boarding electric uluong bagi Sorkar India kelamang tengkaru 1000 pak klur tengka ban pyntreikam ke Revamped Distribution Sector Scheme RDSS Meghalaya. Uang balamang pras pak klur tengka ban penduna ke jingdonong nak distribution system dak bakado bagi pyntreikam ke Smart Meter kanirap bahai ke jela. Uluong bah ke Phase 1 kumba silak prapo hajar teli ladap pyntreikam bat nak benta ke Phase 2 kijing batai pensai pai ba kalaya cakmat.
We had a meeting with the Honorable Power Minister, Government of India, last Thursday. So the meeting went very well, relating to the improvement of the distribution system in the state of Meghalaya. So in the meeting, ultimately the Honorable Union Minister of Power, he already given the approval of the proposal submitted by the government of Meghalaya under Power Department, and there are two approvals given by the Ministry of Power. Number one is relating to reduction of losses that we have in the state of Meghalaya, and the second one is relating to installation of smart meters in the entire state of Meghalaya. As far as installation of smart meters, around 310 crores has been approved by the Ministry of Power, Government of India, and relating to reduction of losses in the distribution system, about 870 crores has been approved to the state government, and very soon we will be able to get the sanction amount, and once that is done, we will start implementing these proposals throughout the state of Meghalaya. And I'm sure once this is in place, we will be able to reduce to the maximum the leakages of revenue that we have. And number two, we will also be able to improve the service system that we have in each and every village in the state of Meghalaya.
Likely to get completed?
See, for this, right now, in fact, because the first phase, we have already under the ADB project, in fact, supplying of smart meters is still on. It's about 100, around 180 numbers of smart meters, and some of them installation is still on. We already started installing these smart meters. So for the second phase, which was just approved recently, that I cannot say anything right now, because unless we get the sanction black and white, I don't know, because once the sanction is given, then only we will be able to know exactly what is the time frame indicated by the Power Ministry, Government of India. One is relating to reduction of losses, 817 crores, and number two, installation of smart meters, 310 crores. So these both the components falls under RDSS. I have already instructed the MECL management to work out the details and also to reach out to each and every villages throughout the state, not only in Jaintia Hills but throughout the state, to explain the beneficiaries, to explain the house owners, the plus and the minus of the smart meter implementation. Why? Because some people they have doubts. In the Jaintia Hills, I think the Sanjuk ki Waheshnong, they met me recently. They apprised about the confidence of the functioning of smart meters. So I already told them we will have some kind of awareness program, and number two, the workshop where our officers from MSL will go down to each and every villages. We will also give some kind of presentation where they need to understand.